Yeah.
Yes, we can start.
Okay.
Yes, it is now recorded. Please.
It's now record. Okay. See, this is the report. After generating the bill of material,
Hmm.
the report shows yarn polyester 100 by 34D polyester filament. You require 44 kgs. The next yarn you require 33 kgs. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
You can see these columns, no, are the
Hmm.
associated free stock, unassociated opening stock, balanced purchase. Right now, it is saying balanced purchase is the same amount, 44.1 kgs.
Hmm.
Okay. Now,
Hmm.
if you raise a purchase order to the supplier, let us say you raise a 40 kg purchase order to the supplier. Here, ordered will show as 40.
Hmm.
If there is no purchase order, so it is showing 0.
Hmm.
Okay. Suppose this is a common material. This yarn polyester filament is a common material. At the start of the season, you are buying in bulk and having it in your stores. Okay. In that case, what is already available will show under associated.
Hmm.
So if you allocate some quantity from the stock and to this order requirement, then it will show as associated.
Hmm.
Okay. Sometimes
Hmm.
when you very first time when you start the software, we will make an
Hmm.
opening stock entry, OS,
Hmm.
opening stock. Okay. Very first time, whatever stock that is available in your factory, you will have to enter it as an opening stock in the system.
Okay.
Okay. So if you do that entry, then that will list as unassociated opening stock. Okay. Here it will come. And you can associate or allocate that quantity to this order requirement 44. You are able to understand?
No.
No,
What
no.
is unassociated stock?
Okay. What is association? Associate. Let's say this is a
Hmm.
new order. Okay. This
Hmm.
is a new order. This order requires this item. One second. I'll
Hmm.
tell you the item code. This item code HO1918.
To sign. Hmm.
HO1918 is the item code. It represents yarn polyester
Hmm.
134D polyester filament C100D.
Hmm.
This is the item. Okay. For this,
Hmm.
the item code in the system is 1918. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Right now, there is no 1918 stock in the factory.
Hmm.
Okay. Now,
Hmm.
so you are, in that case, you have to buy directly from the supplier and bring it into the factory.
Hmm.
Okay. Suppose,
Okay.
suppose it is already available in the factory. This
Hmm.
1918, if it is already available in the factory,
Hmm.
what we will do is in our system, in state system, we will make a stock entry, opening stock entry.
Hmm.
Mr. Shiv, you are there?
Yes, yes.
You are able to understand this, no?
Yes, yeah, I'm understandable.
Okay. So, uh, how to make a stock entry? I will show you. This is actually done by stores department. Anyway, you can have a look at it, but you can use this company. Yes, okay, fabric warehouse is already there. Okay. These are all administrator settings. Okay. So let us say the stores person, when they get the get the stage login, they will make a stock entry. So this is stock which is already available for which there is no purchase order in the system. So they will make a stock entry like this. Fabric warehouse. Let me put a yarn here. Yarn 1918.
Okay.
Your Skype is disconnected. Please call again. Sorry, मैं बोल लिया था बहन जो फोन तो चाहता नहीं हर कुछ ही चाचा पागल है ये
Hello.
Yes, your Skype was disconnected.
Okay. Well, I got my AnyDesk also disconnected. I will connect again.
Sorry.
AnyDesk also got disconnected.
Okay. Maybe there is an internet issue. That's why the thing
Okay.
is. Please
Hold on.
put your request. Yes, put your
Now
request.
I am leaving the request. Yeah, I'm connected now.
Yes.
Minimize. Yeah, minimize. So
Once it's all recorded.
that message coming also for you also.
Sorry.
AnyDesk messages. You are also getting the same AnyDesk message.
So let it them come. No problem at all.
Okay. 1918. Oh, it's running off.
There is a one more that is called virtual station by which you can get the control of the system. There is a 123rescue.com.
What is the name? 123
rescue.com.
Okay. Is it okay? Let's maybe later we'll try that.
That is also you can get the control of mind system from your place.
I see. Okay. Let us see. I'm asking my boss to get a paid version. If that is done, I think we will use it. Otherwise, we can use Zoom or this 123rescue.com.
Sure.
Okay. Now I'm making a stock entry. As a store person, when they first get stage, they will make a stock entry. They'll say, this particular yarn, polyester filament, polyester CD100, which you used in your order. Let us say they say they have 500 kgs stock. Price is, let us say, 120 kgs per 120 rupees per kg. Okay. So, okay. So this is one stock entry. 500 kgs of 1918 is available in the stock now, in the stores now. The store entry has been made. Let us go to your bill of materials. So I'm opening the bill of materials again. Now that 500 will show here, because against 1918 I put 500 stock entry. It is saying unassociated opening stock 500. Okay. This order requires 44.1. Okay. Now already you are having 500 in your factory, warehouse. Why should you buy fresh? You don't need to make a purchase order for this. What you can do is you can go to opening stock. Here, this button, opening stock, and say this is the requirement. 45 is my requirement for this order. 1918. Okay. Now I have 500 stock here. In the bottom, you can see the stock entry. 500 is the stock entry. Okay. For
Hmm.
this order, out of the 500, I am reserving 45.
Hmm.
Okay, this order requires 45. So I am reserving 45 and
Hmm.
saying OK. When I click OK here, you can see ordered will become 45. Balance to order will be 0.
Hmm.
Because from this 500, 45 is allotted, associated.
Hmm.
We call it associated or allotted or reserved for the order.
Hmm.
Okay, now you can see what is the balance to associate. 45 is given to one order. Out of this
Hmm.
500, balance to allot is only 455 available now.
Hmm.
Okay, this is
Okay.
associated. Stock will remain, this stock I have not issued out, so it will still remain 500. I have not made a issue entry in stores for 45
Hmm.
kg. So the stock
Hmm.
will show as 500. But what is
Okay.
allotted is 45. What is pending to allot? What is available to allot is 40,
Hmm.
455.
Hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
this concept you are able to understand, no?
Hmm.
Yeah, Shivam, you are able to follow this?
Actually, I'm busy with somewhere else now.
Oh,
I
okay,
did
okay. No issues. Anyway,
I did get
so
it.
okay, fine, no problem. So later on, we will have another meeting discussion on this. So
Sure,
this
sure,
is how
sure.
allotment is done. Okay, suppose there is no stock, you have to make a purchase order to supplier and bring it
Hmm.
into the factory.
Hmm.
Okay, these are the other items for which there is no purchase order. So we will bring it into the factory by making a new purchase order.
Hmm.
Okay, we will make a purchase order now. I think we already made a purchase order, no?
Yes.
Let me just have a look at it. Under regular view. So we made two purchase order to SE Creations. Okay, so this one we made one tax entry. Did we do a tax entry? Oh, I'm in view mode. Okay. So we made a tax entry 5%. This 5% up when I give 5% here in screen,
Hmm.
okay, it applies to all these four items 5% only. Suppose button is 5%. Okay, swing
Hmm.
thread is 10%. So how we
Hmm.
will give tax? But here is we are ordering with SE creations only. If button is
Hmm.
5% and swing thread is 10%, sorry
Hmm.
12%, we'll have to
Hmm.
use individual tax button. There is a tax button here, no? Here we have to
Hmm.
use the option and give the individual tax.
Okay.
Okay. So
Hmm.
these are so if that is the case, we'll have to make such entries. Okay, let's do a tax entry. Sorry, let us do a purchase order for your D4.
Hmm. क्या है कुत्ता बैठी अच्छा
Give me a moment. I'm finding a supplier who is outside
Okay.
Punjab.
Okay.
Okay, this one we will take Jindal Polyfilms. Okay, it is in Maharashtra. Okay,
Hmm.
we will use that. Jindal Polyfin. They supply polybag, is it? What do they supply?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see. I will assume they supply trims.
You can take RAS printed.
It is outside Punjab.
Yes, Bengaluru.
RA, RAJ, is it?
RAS, RAS printer.
Okay. You have RS Enterprises.
Hmm. Enterprises ni RAS printers. Printers.
Yeah, yeah,
RAS.
I understand, but it is not there in the
Okay.
uh,
Okay.
this one. RAS, yes.
Hmm.
Okay, but problem is you don't have a GST number for that. GST number is not given.
Okay,
Okay,
you can take any other.
we'll use Jindal only. I don't know why the rest two will be.
हाँ, लिखवा रही हूँ।
मेरा दिमाग कुत्ते हो गया समझ नहीं आ रहा
Uh, Shivam, can you just click no and is some other keyboard characters all running? I don't know. I press.
wait there is something now
Can you press Control Shift E,
control
Alt Shift E? Yeah. I'm trying to find out a vendor who is outside Punjab with the
okay
with GST number. I thought I saw Jindal.
there is one but that is okay
काम कितना करना है मेरा
Punjab is
ध्यान
03, no? Yeah, Punjab
Punjab
is
03
03.
yes 07 take it 2707 anyone. Yeah, he's from Gujarat, but he's a road carrier.
Right. This one
Other
is
is
a
Jindal.
yarn supplier.
Jindal Polyfilms. Yes.
Yarn
Jindal
supplier.
Polyfilms. वही है ना? यहाँ नहीं है ना?
I don't know.
April Machines. It's
Machine
a
supplier.
material supplier.
I'm looking at trim supplier.
This is textiles.
29, 24 Gujarat.
Because ये तो विकास रोड कॉर्पोरेशन है. ये that is an India Mart.
Which is
India Mart services.
oh, okay.
Check on 07.
Haryana. Delhi.
Jai Mata
This
Trading.
one is a trim supplier. Jai Mata Trading.
I don't know.
You don't know.
तुझे जानते ना किसी का पता नहीं का. This is the packaging material supplier.
We will take Neelkant Packaging Solutions. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
Neelkant.
What we are doing right now?
We will make a purchase order with item-wise tax.
Okay.
Earlier we made PO-wise tax. Now I am showing you how to make item-wise. Each item different tax structure.
Yeah, they have a different tax rates.
Trims. Let us say Neelkant also supplies trims for the moment. Okay.
Okay.
Let me make it case study. Okay. So Neelkant is present in Delhi. So your transaction is an interstate transaction. Two states is involved, Punjab and Delhi. Interstate transaction.
Interstate.
Okay. Within Punjab, it is a local state transaction. So in master,
it's intrastate.
Yeah, intrastate, correct. So for intrastate, I have directly put it as Punjab. For interstate, I have put it as interstate tax, 5%, 12%, 28%, like that. Okay. This is item wise. Okay, you can see tax type is item wise, but earlier we created Punjab 5%, that is PO wise. If you have 4 items in the PO, all the 4 items will have the same 5% tax. But now, if you use item wise tax in one PO, you can have 28% or 18% or 5% for different items. You can have different taxes.
Yes.
Okay, so that is what we will try now. I will take 5% tax. One second. Then I will take 12%. Okay, we will use these two.
So in the system, we already have the HSN code over there.
No, we created it. We created in the item master. That is why it is listing there.
Okay.
We will have to input it. When we create the item, we have to input the HSN code also. Okay. Madam, you can take control and do a purchase order. Can you please take control? I will tell you how to do a purchase order.
Okay.
Yeah. Purchase, click on purchase, domestic. Let us make a regular purchase order. We do one purchase for D4 order. Click on regular. Material purchase regular.
Yeah, it's running.
Yeah. Click on add. Let us select order number D4, F8 and D4, or directly you can select D4.
One D4.
tab. Use the tab and key and mouse for click for navigation. Okay, select supplier. Select material as trims.
Trims.
Click on trims. Tab. Now supplier you select Neelkant packaging. Supplier here Neelkant packaging you select tab. Okay. Now you put on delivery date when you want this material to be delivered. Let us say end of the month or.
These color.
Okay, okay. Here F4. Here you can see F4 materials. So put your focus on the command box and press F4.
F4.
F4. Please press F4. Function F4. Okay. Now these are the various in order number D4. These are the various materials you calculated: labels, polybag, sewing thread, tag, zipper. All the materials calculated are here. Let us say first you're going to order carton. You right click, this this screen will open. Right click, this will open. You can select from the drop down whether you want label size or
right click करा. बस ठीक है.
Hmm.
Okay.
okay. So can you choose any item from the drop down?
Classification click करा.
Select carton or label.
Drop out.
Select this, click on this, it will copy down.
Click करा.
इस पे
हाँ.
राइट क्लिक करता
द्वारा नहीं द्वारा करो विकल्प तो
हो गया.
कार्टन होगा ना नीचे.
Okay, carton you have selected. Similarly, you can select another item or
another item करो. Right click करो.
Not right click, direct click you can do.
Okay.
Right click is for filtering the item.
Okay. Direct click करके नीचे कर लो. Zipper कर लो ऐड नीचे.
Right click and see here you right click here on reference number you right click or on the right part you right click. Okay, tag you have taken.
Okay.
So I'll say I want zipper. I'll select zipper. Right click. I have selected zippers.
There are different suppliers for different trims.
Yeah, just this is only training purpose.
Okay.
So like who I am doing, let us say Neelkant is supplying all these three items, zipper, tag and carton. We are assuming that. If it is a different supplier, you have to make another PO. Okay, the quantity from the bill of materials as set here, 6 pieces, 110 pieces, all these are the calculation that you did in the MRP screen specification. Okay, let us say carton is 5% tax, tag is 12% tax. What you can do is you can go to this tax button, click on this tax button and it will say 5%. So you want to change it, drop down 12%. Because it is interstate, it will show as IGST. You can see it is IGST. That will come automatically, interstate tax. Similar for tag. Can you click on a tax button in tag? Yeah, it is setting at 5% because in both cases I have mapped it to 5%. You can, if you want, you can change it or you can leave it as 5%.
5% Okay. आराम से ओके होने देना वो नहीं था प्रोसेसिंग उसके नीचे चलो शांति करेगा जिपर को.
This is item-based tax. For each of the item, you have to choose what type of tax: 5%, 12%, 18%, or 28%.
ये भी जिपर ही होगा. हाँ जी देगा नीचे. Okay.
Okay. Now, here in the price, please enter the price for each of the item. How many rupees per carton? Let's say 80 rupees per carton, 70 rupees per carton. Give an approximate price.
How to enter?
डिलीट करो. क्या है यार. करंट
ये बंद नहीं होता डहर वाली. ये टैग 3 rupees. Hmm.
Okay. Now on the right side, middle screen, middle of the screen, you can see other delivery info. Can you click on that? So you can say where it has to be shipped. Warehouse show.
हाँ जी सर.
You can select trim warehouse or fabric warehouse.
हाँ बोल
Okay,
रहे
bill to US by X. That's all. Okay. If you have any terms and conditions, you can put the terms and conditions here
हैं इस चीज का.
and click OK.
Hmm.
Then PO is it will be unique number HO 22 TP3. Can you click
Hmm.
OK? Yes. Click on yes.
लगना तो चला दूसरा भी था क्या बोल. उसकी बात बनी कुछ. हाँ.
Okay. So you saved this purchase order.
Hello.
It has to be approved. Okay. So maybe some senior person, they can go into this approval, trims, pending POs for approval, list. You can double click.
Hello.
So here you can see for each item there is separate tag 12%, 12%, 5%, 5%. Okay. So you have the total tax and grand total.
Okay.
Right. That's all. You click OK. This will get approved. So this is the item-wise tax purchase order. Earlier we saw the PO-wise tax. Same tax for all items in PO. That was earlier. We did it earlier. Now what we have seen now is different taxes for different items. So most important is you should have the HSN code. You have to take the HSN code from your finance team and use it in your item creation. Okay. So what we saw was purchase of materials like trims, labels, cartons, polybags, buttons, etc. Now let us see how to make a service purchase order. When I say service purchase order, you are getting the services of printing, yarn dyeing, stencilling, fabric dyeing, etc. So can you do the service purchase order? Click exit here. We will go to the process order. One moment.
Okay.
Hello. Morning, Kamesh. ஏர்டெல் அதுதான் அவ்வளவா இருக்காதே. ஏர்டெல் அந்த மாடம் எங்க கொடுத்துருக்கோம்னு தெரியலையே, மாடமோட அவுட்புட்.
Welcome to Yubang World. ஆமா.
மேடல் லைன் நார்மல் டெலிஃபோன் லைன் மாதிரி வரும். ஃபைபர் ஆப்டிக்ஸ் கிடையாது. அந்த நார்மல் டெலிஃபோன் லைனை எடுத்து நம்ம அங்க கீழே ஒரு ஒயிட் கலர்ல ஒரு மாடம் இருக்கும், ரவுட்டர் இருக்கும், அதுல கொடுத்துருப்போம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அப்படி வராது. ஏன்னா ரவுட்டர்ல ஏதாவது ஓகே மற்ற மெஷின்ல இருந்து உங்களால சர்வர் ஷேர்டு ஃபோல்டர்லாம் லிஸ்ட் ஆகுதான்னு பாத்துக்கோங்க. லிஸ்ட் ஆகலைன்னா அது ஆக்சஸ் இல்லாம இருக்கு, நெட்வொர்க்ல இல்லாம இருக்குன்னா, இல்லாட்டி எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரு வாட்டி ரீஸ்டார்ட் ஒரு வாட்டி ஆஃப் பண்ணி ஆன் பண்ணுங்க எல்லாத்தையும்.
भाई साहब एक अर्जेंट 5 टन की डिस्पैच जानी है माल
எல்லாத்தையும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு ரவுட்டரையும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரவுட்டர் ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒவ்வொரு மெஷின் ஆன் பண்ணுங்க. அப்படி பண்ணீங்கன்னா எல்லாம் ரீசெட் ஆயிடும்.
कुछ नहीं उस पे लिख दो ना.
ஆமா, ரவுட்டர் ஆஃப் பண்ணா எல்லாத்தையும் முதல்ல மெஷின் ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க, அப்புறம் ரவுட்டர் ஆஃப் பண்ணுங்க.
इधर लिख के आपको
அதுக்கப்புறம்
ब्लॉक
ரவுட்டர் ஒரு 10
लिखो ना, मैं
செகண்ட்ஸ்
प्रिंटर
விட்டுட்டு
चेंज करना, मैं
ரவுட்டர்
तो आ रहा
ஸ்டார்ட்
हूँ,
பண்ணிட்டு
आप लिखो।
அப்புறம் ஒவ்வொன்றும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா நெட்வொர்க் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்காது. எல்லாம் அந்த நெட்வொர்க் கேபிள்லாம் ரவுட்டர்ல கரெக்டா இருக்கான்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. பார்த்துக்கோங்க. சரி, ஓகே கமிஷ், ரைட். ஹலோ,
Just a second.
யா நோ ப்ராப்ளம், சாரி.
Yes.
Yeah, we will do the service purchase order. Can you exit the screen and go to process order? Yeah. You can see on the screen process order, the year
Yes.
symbol. No? Below that you have regular. Please click on it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have add, modify, view, delete, check them, standard menus. Click on add, please.
Sorry. Sorry. Yes.
F8.
F8.
So this is the filter screen. You can use style filter, design filter. You can use the list option, buyer filter, process filter, and order number filter.
Okay.
So let us say we know our order number D4. So I just type D4, or if I know the file number, I can select that. I'm just using the D4 and just using the filter. So in D4, I have to do all these process. I have to do a knitting. I have to do centering, decatting, fabric dyeing, and then polypacking. So for all these process, I have to raise process order or service orders. Okay. Now knitting, is it done in-house or outside vendor?
Both.
Centering?
Outside.
Decatizing?
Outside.
Fabric dyeing also outside.
Yes.
Okay.
What is decatizing?
I don't know, sir. Mr. Ashish gave me.
Okay. Okay.
Can you minimize the screen? Go to address module.
Address module.
Yeah, please minimize this.
Take a second. Minimize. Yes.
Address module. Please go to address module. Add. Yeah. Type Biotex knitting unit, or you have a knitting unit, Swami Textiles, which is an. What is your knitting unit name?
Actually, I don't know the name of that. We can use anyone, no problem.
Okay, we will type. We'll create a new knitting unit. Yes, Biotex knitting unit. No. You have to type S Biotex. It is not the company. We are creating a unit here, production unit. BIOTEX unit, production unit. Sorry, knitting unit.
It's okay.
No, KNI double T, one double TING unit. Okay. Abbreviation, you can type SBKU tab.
SB.
सर कहते हैं होल्ड करा दो.
SBKU. In bottom you see that vendor, foreign vendor. No, below that you find unit. You select unit.
Chandrasekhar.
Yeah.
Can we hold the training for now? Actually, there is some urgency of meeting with someone else now. So,
Okay,
I
you
wa-
close the screen. You call me back once you are ready. Maybe half an hour later you will call me
uh, what is the time right now?
at 12 o'clock, or you just give me a message. I'll come. Give me a message on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Thanks.